At A1, we get asked a lot of questions, and many seem to be figuring out who we are, but good news is, we're just like you. How's it going? I'm Dom, one of the adventurers here at A1, and welcome to our warehouse. Based in beautiful Newcastle on the east coast of Australia, we stock the best parts and hire the best people. Our team comes from all walks of life. Some here are drawn by the thrill of four-wheel driving, whilst others crave the peace and quiet of a relaxing camping holiday. But we're all here for adventure. Our team of specialists have hands-on experience with all sorts of roof racks, platforms, and accessories. Well, sometimes they claim to know everything, but if they get stumped, they're not here for a quick sale. They're here to make sure that you receive the perfect order, meaning that they'll track down the best options for you as quick as possible. Unlike some other places, when we say in stock, we mean in stock. We invested in this huge warehouse to not just fill it with awesome people, but to have it chock full of the latest and greatest quality gear. We stock take regularly to make sure that our system is up to date, so you can trust that when we say we have it, we have it. When you check out with us, you can be happy knowing that your purchase is supporting a local business run by local people. We are A1 Roof Racks, and we're here for the adventure just like you.